南方，国花，胡椒，茶杯。Okay, next. First we read together all, then you try. Okay. First you need to have the good, correct feeling. Okay. The second group. 都好，三碗，吃饱，宽窄。Did you realize when we say the first tone like singing, like 宽窄，三碗 right? Yeah, and keep the same level, okay? 三碗 yeah. Beginning, you also can use the hand to help you, okay? Okay, second group. 太快，上当，散会，判断。Did you see the fourth tone is go down, short, quickly? Like English say no. 上当，太快。You need to be like very quickly, okay? Later you will see, you will make mistake, okay? Now listen carefully, okay? Next. 40，报仇，往前，灭亡。You see, 4 是 quickly go down, second slowly, 亡，灭亡，报仇 right? And also second one from very low level go up, 灭亡，40，报仇 Okay, next group. 好吃，奖章，喜欢，5000。Okay, next group. First, is challenge. First, keep the same level. So it's 香烟，高山，他哭，三张。Okay, 太高，看书，化妆，串通。Next one, 你累，好看，警告，暖气。Next, 真正，方面，机器，鞭炮。Very easy, right? Okay, yes. Now your turn. You want to do together or one by one? Together? Okay, first together, okay? Because together can support each other. Even you made a mistake, so can hide a little bit. Okay. So, actually, these are all real words, real new vocabulary, yes. So now we do the same way. So you read together, okay? Try. 1, 2, 3, go.
晚会舞龙北周老王。
Wait. I heard some 马马虎虎, okay? 马马虎虎 means so. So, again, make very clear, okay? 是挽回。Yes, okay. Again, 1, 2, 3, go.
晚会舞龙北周老王。
Now better. You can use hand like important the second tone from very low start, like 晚回5楼. Believe me, if you don't do that, always mistake. If you say 晚, you are here. If you try to start from here, you know what happened? Always go down. Look, many students say like 晚会. So, because why? Because you are already here, then it's difficult to go more up. That's why say 晚回, then no mistake. 晚回, 老 back, 往. Okay? Okay, one more time. 晚回.
晚回5楼北走老王.
Yes, you see? Feel more comfortable, right? Yes. Okay, next group. 谈话 go.
谈话流上纳税白费。
Okay, next.
西南发愁天堂光头。
Yes, again. So look, like see, you are here. Back. 南发愁天 back 堂 yes 光头 then feel comfortable and easy yes or second tone always back to very low level okay next one 南方 okay fine now second group 1 2 go
都好3碗吃饱宽财
next
太太上当散会盘外
4 是 go down very quickly like no so 太快上当 okay one more time 太快 go
太快上当散会盘外
yes next
40报仇往前别忘
next
好吃奖章是欢我钱
next
香烟高山踏步上山
next
太高看书化妆串通
next
你累好看警告暖气
next
真正方面机器编号
okay I can hear most of you is fine now you have good sense and feeling about photo some of you especially if you are new maybe not 100% sure okay but every time now every class beginning we will still review that's why every Saturday you join the class please come on time because beginning we always review this then you will catch up okay about this do you have any question now quickly you go through see if you have question yes
So there's never words that have like three tones or two.
help that's another page
Oh, great.
don't worry for example how to say hello yeah it's the third actually 你好 yes if the tone is wrong say 你好 that's foreigners if they didn't learn they just call because speak English maybe like to use false tones very much so actually 你好 because good 好 also very good 很好 you see right yes